A very warm welcome to my channel and lots of good wishes to everyone. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Hello everyone. So topic for today's video is ROP, that is retinopathy of prematurity. Okay, so now let's see its definition. तो जो definition है, definition goes like that it's an abnormal development of retinal blood vessels in the premature infants. So premature infants in the sense that if baby is born before normal gestation period, okay, तो इस वजह से retinal vessels abnormally grow करती हैं. Fine. Okay. Now it is also known as retrolental fibroplasia. तो retro stands for behind, okay, and lentil here is the lens. So इसका जो definition है, it's like abnormal proliferation of the fibrous tissue behind the lens. Fine. Okay. Now let's talk about what are its risk factors. See, there are many other risk factors too, but some of the important ones are like low gestation age, low birth weight, and supplementary oxygen. So if baby is born before or within the 34 weeks, okay, or another one is that if weight of the baby during the birth was 1700 grams, or you can say 1.7 kgs also, right? Okay. And another thing, now see that what happens since baby is born before 36 weeks. So lungs are not well developed, right? So retina vessels don't have enough oxygen supply. So when baby is kept on the incubator under oxygen concentration of greater than 30%, okay, greater than 30%, what happens that the condition of hyperoxia is created. Fine. Now what happens then, that this retards the vascular growth of the retina. Fine. Now when the baby inhales the atmospheric oxygen, तो क्या होता है, hypoxia की condition create हो जाती है, right? Now, because of this hypoxia, excessive VEGF is released, and because of this VEGF, neovascularization takes place. That means that there is a growth of new blood vessels. Fine. Okay. Now, let's see its pathogenesis. So for that, I have diagram for you. See this. Can you see that within 16 weeks, vessels have started to originate from the optic disc centrally, right? Now then what happens that in 8 months, or you can say 36 weeks, you can see that growth is taking place at the nasal side, right? This is my nasal side now, because it has the optic disc, and you know that optic disc is situated nasally. So here you can see the growth has started at the nasal side also. Now after the delivery or 9 to 10 months, या आप 40 weeks भी बोल सकते हो, that time growth जो है shifts to the temporal side also. ठीक है. Now thus here vascularization is completed, okay, of the retina. Now you have to just recall the definition and try to understand it. Since baby is born prematurely, राइट, इन आरोपी केसेस क्या होता है, बेबी प्रीमेच्योर जन्म लेता है, राइट, मतलब जेस्टेशन एज से पहले हो सकता है, या उसका बर्थ वेट कम हो, ऐसा हो सकता है. सो ग्रोथ जो है, दैट ग्रोथ स्टॉप्स हेयर, राइट, ग्रोथ स्टॉप्स हेयर, thus dividing the retina into vascular and avascular retina. So see, this side has got the vessels, right? So this will be the vascular retina, right? And because it is devoid of the vessels, so this is my avascular retina. Fine. Okay. Okay, so now let's look for the stages. So in stage 1, what you notice that retina is divided into 2 parts. Can you see this pink portion and this blue portion, right? So it is divided into 2 parts through this line, right, through this line. So remember कि ये जो pink वाला part है, you can see it has got the vessels. That means it is a vascular one, okay, the vascular retina, and this is the avascular region. So this line divides the retina into the vascular and the avascular part. So can you see it's written demarcation line? So that's why this stage is known as demarcation line. Now in stage 2, see, this is now no more line. It has got some width as well as some of the heights as well. So काफ़ी चौड़ी है पहले वाले स्टेज से, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई दिस स्टेज इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रिज. सो सी, demarcation line widens and thickens to form the ridge. Fine. Now in stage 3, now here what happens that ridge में extra retinal fibrovascular proliferation शुरू हो जाती है. You can see this proliferation. Now it sweeps into the vitreous, right? And it tends to pull the retina due to the traction force it has. Okay, so what happens? It starts to pull the retina. So this is a stage 3. In stage 4, there is a partial retinal detachment. You can see retina ने यहाँ से छोड़ना शुरू भी कर दिया इस साइड से. Right. So in this stage, partial retinal detachment takes place. Why? Because of this heavy proliferation. Okay. So now in this, there can be two possibilities. या तो मैक्यूला इन्वॉल्व हो सकती है और मैक्यूला नहीं भी इन्वॉल्व हो सकती है. That's why it is the partial detached retina. Now in stage 5, what happens that there is a total retinal detachment. You can see that it has left from this side as well and also from this side. So there is a total retinal detachment. और जो ये RD है, इसका shape is a funnel shape. See how the funnel looks. Funnel थोड़ा ऐसा ही तो होता है ना. Now see, just this is a funnel shaped. Okay, so this is the funnel shaped RD. Okay. So in last slide we have seen the 5 stages of the ROP. Now we will see the zones of the ROP. So there are in total 3 zones: zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. So now let's see how we have divided it. So one thing we have to keep in mind that we have to take optic disc. This is the optic disc as the center. Okay, we will be taking optic disc as the center. So now you can see it's written zone 1 here. So zone 1 is basically, it's nothing but इसका जो radius है, that is double the radius. Okay, double the radius or the distance of the macula and the optic disc. Okay, so its radius is twice the distance of the macula and the optic disc. You know it that it is 2dd, right? 2dd होता है ना distance between the macula and the optic disc. तो उसका double है इसका radius. Okay, so this is my zone 1. Now in zone 2 what happens that again the optic disc will be the center, but इसका जो radius है that will extend up to the nasal ora serrata. Now you can understand कि ये nasal side ही होगा because optic disc is situated here only. तो this is my zone 2. तो zone 2 का radius क्या है? That radius कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिक डिस्क टू द नेजल ओरा सेरेटा एंड दैट टू एक्सटेंडिंग नेजली. फाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज द होल रेडियस ऑफ फॉर द सेकेंड जोन. नाउ फॉर द थर्ड जोन, ऑब्वियसली जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है दैट विल बी द जोन 3, बट दिस विल बी द टेम्पोरल साइड. जो बचा हुआ द लेफ्ट टेम्पोरल side is my zone 3, and zone 3 का जो shape है ना, you can very well see that it's looking like a crescent, right? Okay, so this is a zone 3. Fine.
Millions of thanks for watching my video, and if you like my work then do like, comment and share. Till the time, keep learning and keep growing.